just going to quickly show you how to capture an entire web page in a PDF in literally 5 minutes. So you're going to basically go to Chrome extensions. You're going to look for GoFullPage, which I've already installed, and search, and it should come up. My internet's playing up today, but I've already got it installed. So go back to this page, go here to my Chrome extensions, and find GoFullPage. Now it's going to automatically start copying this page. It'll scroll right down to the bottom, and then it'll give you the option to either download a very long image or a PDF, and there you can see it there. Now this is great to give to, for instance, your graphic designer, your copywriter, even for you to see visually what your visitors are seeing, right? So sometimes when you look at sections in isolation, they look fine, but when you look at them together, you see that there's an issue. Now here on my website, you can see there's an issue. There's a spot there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down, where there seems to be a blank space. So I needed to sort that out. But this is exactly how you do it. Then you go here, and you either download a PNG or a PDF, and it will automatically name it. You can rename it, whatever you want, and then just save. That's it. It's that easy.